Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this one we have number 1 to the power of 3. Now we need to convert this one into this one. Next, we need to simplify on numerator and the denominator. Now, I will put negative number 1 going here and here. So, we calculate this one and we have 1/3. Now, let's go to the second one. So, we need to expand this one. So 9 minus 9 we cancel. Now this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we have like this. And we put number 0 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.